cool people. I don't think the skirt is the most flattering thing. 200 size is too big for me. Hi guys, or welcome back to my channel, or hey, hi, hello. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Fern. I would really appreciate it if you did stay and watch this video and click that subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me. I'm still nearly at 500. I haven't hit 500 subscribers yet, but when I do, I will be doing a giveaway and announcing it on my channel and my Instagram. So please subscribe to be on a chance of winning a giveaway, I guess. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is another Primark haul. Now my last Primark haul had, I think, over 15,000 views and I gained quite a lot of subscribers from it. I don't really know why, how it got to so many people compared to my other videos. I will link that in the description if you haven't watched that. But today I have another Primark haul for you. I went a little crazy with shoes. Without further ado, if you want to see what I got from Primark, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start off with are these trousers. They are black and white spots. They are, I think they're like cropped culotte style trousers. I have something similar from Topshop when I used to work there, and I really like the style. I think it's quite flattering with a pair of heels. You can really dress it up, but you could wear these with like white trainers and like a denim jacket, and I think it would look really cool. I'm gonna do like a Patricia Bright kind of style try on clip, so I'm not gonna talk too much about these. I'm gonna let you know what I think when I'm trying them on. But yeah, I got these in an 8 and these were £5 in the sale, which I thought was a bargain. So I quite like these trousers. They were a little tight to get on and kind of like in this area is a little tight, but I tried the 10 on and the 10 were too big around my waist. But I think these fit quite well, to be honest. I have just kept this cropped top on, but they fit really nicely, to be honest. They've got pockets, which is a plus, and they kind of just come, I'd say, just above your ankle. So like, they are culotte style trousers. For £5 in a sale, I think these were a bargain. The next thing that I got is a white denim jacket. And if you saw my last video, which was what I got for my 20th birthday, you would have seen I picked up a white denim skirt from Primark. I haven't worn it yet, I haven't taken the tags off, but I know that it does fit. I don't think I could get my bum and my legs into the 8, so the 10's a little big around my waist. But they have a matching white denim jacket. I got the skirt in a 10. I have it here, but it's not really part of the haul because I had it for my birthday. The skirt here, I think that these together would look so cute. Co-ords and like denim jackets and skirts so in at the moment. Now this jacket was only £12, which I think is really good for a denim jacket when you pay £30–40 for something in Topshop. I got this in a 12, so it's a little bit oversized, hang over my shoulders. I just think that these kind of co-ords are going to be like a staple piece through spring and summer. The next thing that I got from Primark is so cute. I'm not really into bodysuits too much just because I think it's a lot of faffing around and like some of them suffocate your vagina, and I don't know, sometimes they're not the comfiest things, but they do look good when you tuck them in. Well, when they are tucked in, their bodysuits, you can't tuck them out. And I saw this one when I was browsing around Primark. I thought this was so cute. It's quite like sporty, but I still think it's really cute. I feel like this is something that you would find in Topshop for like £20 maybe, something like that. This was £6. I got this in a size 8 and I think it is so cute and will go with so much stuff. So this is the bodysuit paired with the white skirt that I was talking about. I really like it. I think it's pretty cool. I don't think the skirt is the most flattering thing, but with some high-waisted jeans I think it would look a little nicer. And I'm just going to show you what the white denim jacket looks like with the skirt as like a co-ord. And this is the denim jacket with the skirt. They look like a different colour white to me. Anyone else think they look like slightly off? I think the bodysuit actually looks quite cute under it as well. You could wear it like over your shoulders to be cool. Like there's people that do that, like the cool people. That's not me. But yeah, I think that looks really cute. I feel like a superhero. The last clothing item bit I got is something I've been looking for quite a while. I saw was it Jordan Lipscomb? But she picked up like a white cream cropped jumper zip-up jacket thing. She was wearing it off the shoulder. She picked it up in a bigger size and it looked really, really cute. And then recently I saw Holly Boone's Pretty Little Thing haul and she picked up a black and a white just long zip-up jacket and they looked really cool, just kind of slouchy over the top. You could just throw it on. So I found this because they didn't have any left in the normal sizes. I think this has probably been in Primark for months and all the other sizes were just too tight. The wrists were too tight. I felt they didn't sit properly. So I took this into the changing rooms. I picked up the size 18 and it's supposed to be cropped, but it's obviously a little bit longer. It's still cropped, but it's so slouchy and like chilled and I love it. It's a vibe. Turns out it was £3 in the sale, which bargain. And also I'm just going to show you what the big oversized size 18 jacket looks like. It's fleecy inside, which is amazing. I feel like this could like go as well. The sleeves fit fine. As you can see, it's supposed to be cropped. It's very, very big if I do it up. But I feel like this is just something that's so cozy, so chilled, very slouchy, and it would like go over the top of anything. So it's supposed to be cropped, but because it's like 200 sizes too big for me, it's quite long, but I wouldn't really wear it done up. I think I'd just like throw it on over something. The next two things that I picked up from Primark are makeup bits. I picked it up as I was walking to the till, just as like a last minute grab. But I picked up the PS Strobing highlighter cream. I have tried this. I'm wearing it today. I feel like you could mix it in with your foundation. You could use it as like a cream highlight under your powder highlight. You can use it before your foundation to prep your skin. And I got the pearl one. This was only £2. So I was like, why not try it? And so far I really, really like this. And the other makeup bit that I got is a pair of eyelashes, which I am also wearing today. I picked up these Girls with Attitude Fantasy lashes, but these were only £3 and they come with a little glue inside, which I thought was really, really good. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I went a little crazy with shoes because I'm going on holiday at the end of this month to Tenerife and I don't really have any sandal-y summer shoes. I've got a pair of Calvin Klein slides and I've got like my Vans and my Converse, but I don't have any sandals anymore because I tend to buy sandals from Primark, ruin them through the summer and then chuck them away and buy new ones the year after. Okay, so the first pair of shoes that I picked up recently are slides. I had a pair of grey slides last year from Primark and I wore them to work, I wore them out to town, I wore them out with like the girls, everywhere. I wore them around the house, in the garden. And I saw these and I thought they were adorable. I don't own any like baby pink shoes. They are platform style ones. My other ones were literally just that. But I think that's quite cool. I don't know. They're so soft, so soft. And I just thought they were really, really pretty. I don't know whether I want to keep them. I'm gonna just see. The next pair of shoes I got, I'm really unsure about. They're kind of like Jesus sandal-y, but I feel like that's kind of like a trend that's coming back. Is like, I don't know, are they called Jesus sandals? I saw Charlotte Crosby from Geordie Shore wearing these and they just looked really comfy, easy to throw on, and I feel like they go with a lot. Not everyone's gonna like them, but they are these slide sandal things. These ones were £6 and I got these in a 5 as well. They're quite chunky. I don't know how comfortable they'd be, but I feel like if you're just like walking around on holiday, like pop into the local town or out for food, I think these are really good. I feel like if I was going on an excursion and I had a lot of walking to do, I'd put my Vans or my Converse on. I wouldn't walk around in something like this. These next pair of shoes are again a pair of like slide type shoes and they are baby pink with pearls and cutouts on them. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yeah, they're really, really thin, and again I had something similar to this but like plain black crossover ones and white ones from Primark last year and I wore them loads. These again are just so simple to slip on and pop out and I think they look really, really cute as well. And these were £5 and I also got them in size 5. The next pair of shoes, yes, it's another pair. I think there's only one more after this. Again, I like the Jesus sandal kind of vibe. I don't know if I like these as much because they don't have the second strap. They didn't have a tan colour with the two straps. There was only black and pink. But these were £5 in a size 5. Again, just kind of like simple, throw on with anything. I think my Hermes driver is outside. I ordered stuff from Pretty Little Thing. Yeah, it's here. I will be back in a moment. Okay, I am back. I have my order from Pretty Little Thing with it. Which is ironic because the shoes I've ordered from Pretty Little Thing are very similar to these Primark ones. So I think I'm going to show you them in a minute, just as like an extra haul special thing. But the last pair of shoes that I bought from Primark are ones I'm very unsure of. It was like a last minute pickup because I was buying all these shoes anyway. And I just thought if I don't like them when I put them on at home, I'll just take them back. But it's just some plain black like platform. It's got like ridges in the sole. I just thought these were quite cute. They've got more padding than the other ones. They're not as hard. They've got a bit of soft padding on them. And they're just like leather, black crossover there. These were £6 and I just thought these could go with everything. Again, slightly different style of shoe, but simple and easy to wear. So that is everything that I picked up from Primark. I did go crazy with shoes. I don't think I'm going to keep them all, but the clothes I am obsessed with. I can't believe how good the quality is getting in Primark, and still the clothes are so cheap compared to like Topshop and Zara, River Island. But there's such similar styles now. They're really like up in their game. So if you haven't shopped in Primark for a while, please do. You will thank me for it. Seeing as my Pretty Little Thing order has just arrived, I'm just going to show you what I got because it's nothing important. I'll just show you anyway. Okay, I remember ordering these. Yeah, they are similar, but these feel a lot nicer. So the first pair of shoes that I picked up from Pretty Little Thing are these kind of Jesus sandal. They have a softer suede material. They are more flexible. They've got a really cool studded detail. I feel like these would just be a bit more comfy, which I was hoping they weren't because then I could just keep the Primark ones and get my money back. But I do like these. These, I don't know whether they'll be as comfy. They've got a bit of padding and they're more flat, but I think the buckle detail on these look really cool, and I didn't get a white pair from Primark, so not sure. I'll have to try them all on and just see how they fit, but I think these are like really cool. And the other two small bits that I just picked up while I was on the site is a plain white triangle bikini top, and then I picked up these coin necklaces. It's like a kind of like a layered necklace like these, but they're all like coins, and I wanted a new necklace, and I saw, can't remember who it was, but someone I watched on YouTube had something similar to this, so I just thought they were really cute. And that is everything I got from Pretty Little Thing. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It would mean the world to me. If you are watching and you can't be bothered, it's literally like a button, just click it. And as I said at the beginning of the video, if you aren't subscribed and you did enjoy this, please click that subscribe button. I'm really hoping to hit 500 soon and then be on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Primark haul and see what they've got to offer, especially shoe-wise. Let me know whether you think I should keep the Pretty Little Thing ones or send them back because I've got similar ones from Primark which are like a third of the price. Until next time, goodbye.